All right, you guys, we are back on the truck project. I think it's a 66 Chevy C10. We're going to be taking the wheels off today, running them down, getting the tires changed, and rolling this puppy out eventually. We won't be rolling it out today, but we're going to definitely get the tires off, and tires and rims off today, but we got a lot to go through. All right, well, let's do Mike, what does it look like in there?
Looks really good. Oh, it looks really well.
All right, let's take a tour in there.
An old truck.
Let's take a tour. It is a custom, and here's the inside. Doesn't look too bad.
Looks pretty good to me.
Looks pretty good. Don't have to worry about the carpet on the roof because it's all metal. Look at this dashboard, you guys. All right, well, we're back at the truck, and this is Mikey's truck.
Yes, sir.
So we're going to be getting it out of here. We just stored it while, getting it out of the environment, and we're going to be doing it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I did see something in there. I just wasn't sure what it was.
Yeah. We got the lock nut. This thing has survived a while.
Let me see if it'll
Hey, Ryan!
sockets.
There we go. All right. Got Mike's hiney right there.
Sir.
Yeah, so we've got locking lug nuts on here. Watch Mikey break these guys. Oh yeah, no problem.
My foot.
We got the PB blaster just in case. Yeah, Mikey!
Do it, baby.
Oh, you need a little longer extension.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
Might have to have Ryan go to my house and grab my sockets.
There you go. There you go.
Buff cake Mike. Or I might just have to have him go grab my impact, so I'm not sitting here like spinning 30 times.
Yep. I may just video today. I'll have Mike video of me doing work too. But you guys got to see this though. This tire over here was the spare tire, and it gave it up. Look how it's so dry rotted right there. It's bad. It's bad. I don't even know how I made it over here. Yep, okay. That's the way it is.
Let's open up the jack.
Okay.
See where we can. This is from Mom's house. No one wants it. I don't know what I need it for.
Oh, let me get this chair for you, Mikey.
Kill me.
Be respectful of their stuff.
Got me blamed for something, right? Okay, these don't work. So I'll maybe run down to the house, or I'll have Ryan go get it. Apparently the size I need is not in there.
What happens?
And that is that.
Okay.
Okay. Get this right on. You know what? Put it on.
All right, she's about to move. Yeah, so this truck has been in Vegas. This is Rob's dad's truck, and then it became Rob's truck, and then Steve, and now Nickelodeon over here.
Yes, sir.
And I had a C10, 1970 C10, so I've worked on these trucks quite a bit. This one's a really nice truck, so it'll be fun to restore it a little bit. Not do a full restore on it, just make it nice to drive around. See what he's doing down here. There it is. All right.
This is the scary part.
Making it secure. Everybody step aside.
Well, wherever that was,
Mike ain't playing.
it didn't like where it was.
So you see how it raises the tire off the ground? We're going to do that to all four wheels. Take all the tires off, and then come back and put it. Let's get these. Let's see. Get these puppies loose. Let's get Looks like they're fairly loose already. Got 6 lugs on there. I'm going to get this special locking socket. You put it on this guy right here. Give it help. Okay, here we go. It's loose. We'll get this punk loosened up back here. Let's see. There's that key for that. So it goes this way. Here. Oh. Alright, got that one loose. Get this one loose too. Oh, jeez. Oh, bicycle in the way. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay. That one loose. Get this one loose. This one loose. So we get this next one. He's not a lot of breaking some lugs off. All right, you stand on that puppy. Oh.
What was that?
Yeah, broke the lug off.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Oh no.
it's bound to happen. Yeah, we're gonna have to hit that with an impact.
Okay, not bad.
Yeah, because that's.
So yeah, we'll work on the other side. Lift that side up.
Okay. There we go. Well, watch this puppy come up.
This one not to fall off. Wow. Okay, hold on. I don't like the way this jacks.
It's got hydraulics, everyone. Did you hear that?
Let's put one on the spring.
Come on, Mikey, get it up.
Trying. I want to make sure it doesn't slide off it. It did a minute ago.
Yeah, so you like dive?
Your stick's long enough. Come on. Oh, yeah. This thing ain't gonna roll, is it?
Oh.
Well, it ain't going anywhere.
I mean,
Oh yeah, the back brakes are on. Okay. There you go, Pally.
oh crap. Like daylight.
See that?
The hat is being removed.
Oh my gosh, it's like.
Time to get serious.
Is that awesome? Did you see this thing that he's wearing? That's a Goon Squad headband.
Wow. Kenny, you should get like your own merch and stuff when you get famous.
I will get merch.
Let's go. I'll wear it everywhere.
I got 11 new subscribers this week, so.
Oh,
Oh, I didn't realize
sheesh.
this used to be that blue. It's a nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay, here, hand it to me.
Wait.
Here.
Hold up that.
Yeah, look how busted that is. That's a busted wheel. Busted tire to it. Gun was in a bullet.
I tell you about my dad scooping his hand between it. He was doing the brakes.
Yeah.
And the jack failed.
I had a car follow me when I was
And
14.
the only thing that got him is his loud scream. The neighbor came out and had to hurry and jack it up.
Oh, that's right.
This one he was in.
The pinching thing is the worst.
Yeah, because he had his arm pinched and he couldn't.
Ugh. I'd rather be squashed than pinched.
Yeah.
Which I was.
Oh, I need the thingy. This one is a little more tighter this time.
Here's the thingy.
Hopefully my socket that I have,
The extra socket.
the right one.
Get right up on there when he's doing it.
Okay.
Watch the NASCAR. Way to go. Spinning away.
I want to be here all night. Oh wait, I am.
Okay, now the important thing is.
This tire's actually the only one.
All right, boy. Hold on. Here we go. This is film right here. Get that. This is generational truck action. Get it, Ryan. This is Ryan.
Are you gonna be able to fit 4 in here?
Yeah.
That's what she said.
Go on, bed.
Oh shit.
That will be fine.
Okay, edit that.
Okay.
Oh, my
I didn't do a good job editing Mike's last video.
Jack stands are pretty reliable, but they're not like they're supposed to be.
They are for the purpose of the video.
Yes, always make sure it's in the crevice if you can get it in the crevice.
That's what Mike said.
That's what it is.
Mike, take your time. Enjoy yourself.
Nah, he has to be the best NASCAR driver on.
I'd be using an air wrench if I could do a NASCAR.
All right, backing out. Okay. All right, we've got a wheel coming out of here. All right, Ryan's in action. Sweet. Okay, so we'll do a walk around here in a minute.
That's the other thing I do. It's probably not most people.
Yep, jank it around. It should feel like a dinner table. All right, we got that one on the jack.
Yeah, it's
Mike's got the
fully jack stand.
the LED Goon Squad headband on.
Yeah.
What do you think about that one, Mike? Okay, and we got this guy up. We got the jack under there just in case. Oh yeah. Yep.
Point under there.
All right, and we got
My hand. Yeah, you always give it a little good old shake.
got this guy under here with a jack. And then we got this guy over here.
Nothing I know.
There we go, looking good. Got the truck. All right, we're here to pick up the tires. Howdy.
You guys pick up tires?
Yeah.
4 of them?
Did he go in that way? Yeah, 4 of them for the Chevy.
Go around. Okay.
This is your front door.
Sweet.
Are you guys together there?
Yeah, yeah.
Yep.
All right.
Thank you, brother. All right. I'll just meet you over here. All right, Saturday pickup. We're picking up the Chevy tires. So I think they're around the side here. Whew. What a day. All right. We're here in Midvale. Look at this Porsche. Oh, it's had better days, I'll tell you that. Woo! Yeah. The emblem's missing. Got a huge hit there. All right. Got old Eldorado. There's Mikey. Look at this old Eldorado. Oh man. Check it out. It's seen better days. Still has the dice up on the dashboard. Where's that at? Oh, awesome. Oh yeah. Yeah, they look great.
All balanced.
Thank you.
Yep. What are you going on? A half-ton Chevy?
Going on a 1966 C10.
Oh yeah.
Half ton, yeah.
66, huh?
66. Yeah, boy. There you go, Mikey. All right. Oh man, those look good. Well, that'll keep it off the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, look at me. Woo. All righty.
Fabuloso.
Thank you, pal.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Did you?
Have a safe trip.
Yep, you too.
Yeah. We'll get this on there.
Oh, you gotta close it.
Which is really cool. Looks like they cleaned up pretty well. So, and yes, it's dark. So I'm not sure what we can see here, but definitely putting the rims on. You got nuts? Huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. They look good. Oh yeah, let me get all this other stuff out of the way. These, tires put back on. Tires and rims. And who else knows what's gonna happen? You got that, your jack and stuff, did you leave that here?
Yeah, it's done.
Okay. Oh, you put it back in the box. Roll these tires over to their spots. So, let's do that. You gotta torque them down anyway.
I'll do that after when it's ready to be. My torque wrench is
Oh yeah, it's been a busy day today. Oh, they are bouncy. All right, let's get it over this rim here. Do. There we go. All right, help Mikey out here. Oh yeah. Mix and match, buddy. Center cap. All right, here we go. Run this through. All right. Looks like we already had a little bit of it fall out here. There we go. Got some Wranglers on there. All right, there we go. All right. Meep. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's. There you go, we got over it. The last time this one banged, so.
Ah, that's right, because I wasn't in the.
And there it goes. There's another box, by the way.
Should be fine.
Okay.
Find out how it'll work.
Or not. How's the brakes? All right, you got brakes, bro. Look at this. We're moving. We're moving. All right, gentlemen. Probably not you barefoot. Come here. Brian.
You ain't rocking. Gotta go on the front side.
Yeah. All right, let's get her out on the driveway. Mike, brakes. Check your brakes again. Okay. Okay, you want to go wide here and then out? I can't stop it, so I'm not going to get in front of it. All right, and it's dark. That makes a lot of goodness. Okay.
Wow, and that
Probably just push
proper
it down there.
tires.
Oh man, that is great.
Why don't we just start it? God. It would be so much easier.
Remember, Steve, this was like.
Seriously. Dad, this is giving me
Okay.
proper tires on this thing. Dad, this is giving me
Look at it rolling down here. Look at these guys back here. Hey guys. Hey Mikey. All right. Get some B-roll. Oh, okay, we're doing 15 now. We're good.
Hey, you're almost doing 10 miles an hour. It's gas output.
Yeah, it's. Yeah, I think we'll just we'll supervise from back here.
Yeah. It's going too fast for me.
Oh man, it's long, man. All right, let's do this.
Who's driving? Emergency brakes on.
Yeah, pop.
Well, and you need to be careful for the box. Like that's where.
Yeah, well, it's not going to be fast. He's going to get tension and go up.
Take some
Yeah.
pork. We just won't fit.
Oh, son of a mother. The military's out.
Grab it, push forward. Here, wait. Okay. Okay, yeah, we know what I need to do. You need to do the brakes.
Good, you're good. Now go, Mike. Yeah, I mean, okay, go. You're on the hump, buddy. Let's do it. All right, here we go. Strap's either gonna break or we're gonna go over the, there we go. All right, now straighten out just a little bit. Don't go all the way. Okay, up. Yeah, you're good.
We're turning more to the, turn back.
Oh yeah, you're good. Straight right there. You're straight. Okay. All right. You're doing great. Well, we're here to help you. You're good. Keep going. Keep going.
It's easier to gauge it when your car's like
Yeah.
actually moving and you also have drive.
Yeah, it's gonna clear the. Yeah, it'll clear it. Just don't turn the wheel at all.
Hang on.
Okay.
So, hang on. Stride, go a little left if we're gonna let it roll forward. Go
Yeah, this way.
Smidge left.
Okay, we're smidge left. So, all right.
Can you let it roll a smidge?
There we go. All right.
Okay.
Good.
That's good.
Now go right.
A little bit right, bud. We're doing it's good.
Yeah, well,
That's good. That's good.
you good?
Yeah,
Okay.
go ahead, Mikey.
Not that I'm doing anything to this truck. Your foot off the brake?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you got more on that side over there than you do here, so you're good. That's where we want you. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, now start turning this way.
Go back to your left.
Yep. There you go. Give it a good crank.
Good crank, yeah.
Good crank. All right, I'm gonna come up. I'm going in front.
No more mirror privileges for you.
Okay, now straight.
Straighten it out.
Straight. Come this way.
That would be to, yep.
Yep, there we go.
Yep.
Yeah, you're straight, so keep it there. We'll move it if we have to.
Brake.
Is he gonna hit something?
No, he's
Oh, okay.
just on level ground now. He's on level ground, so we can now just push.
Move your side by side, Mike.
not straight yet. Turn to your. Okay.
Let's pull it all the way back there and then straight.
Well, it's easier to roll on flat tires. Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're on gravel.
Okay. So turn. So now we're gonna pull up close to the fence this way. Yeah. So now you can actually see where you're going.
Okay. Not quite that. Okay, let's go forward a little bit. Tell me when we're close to the fence.
Okay.
Oh, maybe. We off the brake?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Brake check.
Mike, you pansy.
Okay.
All
Are we
right,
on
come
close to
this
the
way.
fence?
Turn it a little bit this way.
I got it. It's not wrong.
Turn it this way.
Turn.
Turn this way. Okay, good. Come on.
You didn't know you were getting
coming,
arms
keep
exercise
coming.
in.
Oh, shoot.
Keep coming.
Take me out with the.
Keep coming.
Brother already tried that today.
Keep coming.
The freaking books.
Keep coming.
No, Matt, my brother.
All right.
I don't know if you met him. Nope. Go forward, right to the edge.
Go hard.
And then we'll
Hard over there.
a little hard left.
Yep. Hard left.
Keep going. We want to go almost. Going farther away.
We're on edge.
We'll go right to the. Okay.
We're on edge.
And then crank it to the right.
Go this way now. Other way. We're gonna.
Yeah.
It's easier if we're rolling. Mike, ready? Go.
You watch the fence,
I got it.
and then we'll slowly start to turn.
Now start turning left.
So
now.
crank it
Start
to your
towards
right.
I'll try it. Keep going. Keep
Turn
going.
to the right as you can.
Keep going. I don't care for kissing the fence a little bit. Alright, okay, now straight. Totally straight. And then we're going until we hit the.
Let me know when it's straight.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right there, perfect. Straight.
We're on the fence.
We're actually on the fence.
On as much as I want to be on the fence.
Oh, yeah. Okay, and then go back to the motorcycle.
Ready?
Okay, you're good. You're good.
Okay, sorry. That was me.
Okay, pull the emergency brake.
That's
That's that rusted thing.
Sorry, man.
Oh no, you're. I would say if it was the bike,
I was just
getting
enjoying
close.
how easy
Yeah.
it was to push. I was like,
We're good.
He's like, boo.
Yep, you're good.
oh! I shouldn't do that. Sorry.
I am be driving.
You know what?
All is well.
Plenty of space to go. Do you want to go further back, Mikey?
Don't.
The farther back you go, the more space you get, because that narrows.
No, the tire. Okay. Take the brake off. Gotta roll it forward just to.
Can you
That's looking like
confirm?
Good job. Dude, those
Stay
tires.
right there.
I don't know why we didn't do that.
Night and day difference.
Stay right
Well, we found those on
Ryan.
KSL, like our marketplace for you.
Yeah.
The tires itself.
Okay, let's get a bro picture.
They're smaller.
Come on, guys.
I
I'm
know.
being bossy. Sorry.
I cannot see. I'm like daylight.
But don't worry about it because we're
Lighting
here.
is great.